Okay guys, today I want to show you how to fix some of these battery holders. Some people just throw them away and they don't know where to get replacements. I know they're cheap, but some people can't get access to these battery uh, holders. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Just want to show you that it doesn't work. And nothing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to take it apart. All you have to do is get one of these separated tools. Just press it in the beginning and just swipe it through. Same on the other side. Just squeeze it in there. And it will come apart. Guess a little bit more. There you are. Okay. So the first thing first. Usually this point in the middle here, when you put it into your controller, it's supposed to press this little lever here. You can see there. So if that doesn't make contact with the inside, then your controller won't switch on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bind these 2 points and then see what it does. Put some flux. Okay, so to get that point in, because it's going to be stuck now, I usually just take a screw and just press it on the gap there, press it on the screw, and just touch the soldering again so it can go a little bit deeper. That should do it. So you can actually test it without putting it back together. Check where how the batteries must come. Like so. You can take this out first. Check if it make contact on the batteries. Yes, it does. So usually your points are bent as well. You'll see if I press it here, then it goes on. So I'm gonna bend that point a little bit so it can make full contact. Just a little bit. Just put it back again. Do your test. There you are. So to put it back together, there's a little bit of a trick involved. Looks quite clean. Just want to clean off the flux here. Okay, now for step 2. Get your super glue ready, because you're gonna need 2 hands for this. And you put your spring back. Always pull the spring back and then insert the, oops, wrong side. There's another hole that you have to insert it to. You have to get that right. Okay, and if it's in, then you can just hold it like that. and then with your super glue just on the edge here. Let's give it some love there. Okay, this side. Get this off here. And then put these two parts together again and just hold it there. I already done one same way that I did this one. I'm going to put this one here to get dried. And then we can test this one. This one's been glued already. I just want to see if it works. Yes. There you are. This was a broken one as well. So it's no need to throw away these battery holders, because all of them can be repaired. Some of them acid issues on the contacts, so if you open it you can clean the contacts and do the same what I did now. Just give that one another couple of seconds, then we can try it out. Okay, put the batteries back. Put it in, and voila, there you are. So guys, it's a very easy way to repair them. It looks difficult, but it isn't difficult. I hope you enjoyed this video.